Solving Factory here. Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick fix for a common annoyance, stopping text messages from sending as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. First, you have to open your Settings app and scroll down to Messages. Tap on it. Next, scroll down again until you find the Send as SMS section. Simply toggle off the button to prevent messages from automatically sending as SMS when iMessage isn't available. That's simply it. A simple solution to save you from accidentally sending text as SMS. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.